Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Bellin Health account on your website. So what is Bellin Health? It is a healthcare system that operates hospitals, clinics and other healthcare facilities throughout Green Bay, Wisconsin, United States. Now let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to Bellin Health website. You can do this by typing Bellin Health login. Now click on sign in. Now you have been directed to sign in page of Bellin Health. If you already have an account to Bellin Health, enter your username or email address and your password and then click on sign in. Bellin Health login page also provides you to recover your username or password in case you have forgotten it. You can also enter your new access code provided by Bellin Health to sign in to your account. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log in to Bellin Health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.